Here comes the truck and a boat. I'm digging this one. They had so many cool accessories, it was unbelievable. Tiny and fragile, they were lucky to last. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. The military's taking over today. Special edition. Look at what's pulling into Johnny's Supper Club. It is a truck, army truck. Man, I wonder what's inside this baby. They're pretty secretive with their stuff, but I am digging this. Look at that tow hitch. You've got a ladder to get up on top. These ROCO Minitanks are pretty cool and pretty detailed. Now this one's missing the windshield, but it has the grill and headlight. Look at those tires and axles. Holy smokes, even a ladder on the side there to get up onto the roof. Put your camo over the top or paint it. Oh, ho, ho. Look at this 6x6. Spare tire. ROCO, R-O-C-O, made in Austria. Boy, these things are so cool. Just fantastic to have. There were so many cool details with this. This one could be pulling a boat. It could be pulling a mess hall. It could be pulling a tanker. Anything you want. This thing is a powerhouse. Hey, thanks for coming into Johnny's Supper Club with your cool truck. Look at this truck coming across the bridge. So sweet on that ROCO mini tank. Loving this, loving this. Holy smokes, look how cool this diorama is. Sweet little setup. And a very cool ROCO mini tank on this bridge that we can totally enjoy. This is ROCO at its finest, baby. Woohoo! I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.